Hello students, so today we will study next topic in our Pandas series. This is append, concat and merge operations in Python, okay, in Pandas. So if we want to add two data frames, then these are the options which we generally use, okay. Because what happened that data is there in different tables, okay, in database. So when we are doing our EDA or machine learning part, then we need to fetch those data and then we need to merge them all, okay, or means combine them. So append, concat and merge operations. So let's see what is this. In this session we will see how to append, merge and concat two or more data frames, okay. Appending data frames. So for full documentation you can click here, okay. If you want to see full documentation how appending work, then you can see here, okay. Creating custom data for data science students. So this is for 1 2 3 4 5 the name and this, okay. So we are creating custom data, okay. So this is our custom data. Then data frame 1 equal to pd dot data frame, okay. Then data equal to data underscore dict, okay. Then we will see how our data is looking. So this is the thing, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 then name, then language, okay. Now we are creating another data frame that contains only one row, okay. So this is id, this language and name, okay. So key will become column, column heading, column name and mm, value will become that row, okay. So df2, okay. 1 minute. Df2. So this is the way, okay. Now we are creating third data frame by appending df2 to df1, okay. So df3 is equal to df1 dot append df2, then df3, okay. So this is the way, but you can see that here that 0 1 2 3 4 again 0 is coming. So we can do one more thing, ignore index we can use, okay. So ignore index is there, salt is also there. So let's do ignore index. Ignore index equal to true. See, now it's working fine, okay. So same thing it is written here. Did you observe the index of row from second data frame? Well, there a solution to that as well. Just send ignore index to true, okay. So if other equal to something and then ignore index equal to true, okay. Concatenating data frames. So now we will see how we can concatenate data frames, okay. So we are again creating custom data frames, id 1 2 3 4 5, name abcde, then subject, then again id, then name, then subject, okay. So this is the way. Data frame 1 or data frame 2, data frame 1 equal to pd dot data frame, okay, and data equal to data dict 1, df2 is equal to pd dot data frame, and data equal to data dict 2. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so here you can see data frame will look like this. Okay, id 1 2 3 4 5 and name a b c d e, subject 1 2 3 4 5, and then data frame 2 is equal to id will be 1 2 3 4 5 and b c d e f. Okay, and subject will be 3 4 5 6 7. So we will concatenate these two data frames, creating a third data frame by concatenating df2 to df1 along row axis. Okay, so df3 is equal to pd dot concat, then df1, or we will see that objects union iterable mapping none type frame or series join outer or inner ignore index labels names sort copy. Okay, so data frame 1 comma data frame 2. So okay, x is equal to um, row axis, so row, and then okay, so data frame 3 will look like ignore index true. So pd dot concatenate. Okay, data frame objects equal to data frame 1 and comma data frame 2, x is equal to 0 and ignore index equal to true. So now let's see, it will be like this. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. uh, Creating third data frame. Okay, now there is one more, we will do that. We are creating third data frame by concatenating df2 to df1 along column axis. Okay, df3 is equal to pd dot concat. Okay, then objects, then df1 comma df2 comma x is equal to 1 comma ignore index equal to true. Even though we don't need to mention ignore index, leave it df3. Okay, so it will work like this. Okay, now in last we will see how to merge two data frames. Okay, merging data frames. For full documentation of the function, you can click here. Merging can happen on a column that have common name or we can specify how to join two tables. Okay, so in concat we are not specifying that which uh, common value you are taking, but merging can happen on columns that have common names, or we can specify how to join two tables. Okay, so there are following types of merging that we can perform on two data frames. Okay, so uh, so a common name should be there, like in SQL also you have seen that. So this is the same thing: left join, right join, outer join, inner join, and cross join. Okay, so inner join is default in this, okay, data frame. If you are merging two data frames, then inner is default. Okay, so left join, what is left join? It uses only keys from left frame. Okay, if you are merging two data frames, then one is there on the left and other one is on the right. Okay, uh, so it will take like keys from left frame. Okay, so left join, it use only keys from left frame, similar to a SQL left outer join reserve key order. Then right join is there, it use only keys from right frame. Okay, right join use keys only from right frame. Then outer join, it use union of keys from both frames. So outer join, what outer join do? It use union of keys from both frames. Okay. Now inner join is there. It is by default. It uses intersection of keys from both data frames. Okay. It uses intersection of keys from both data frames. Inner join. And then uh, cross join. It creates the Cartesian product from both frames. Okay. So it will create Cartesian product from both frames. And keep in mind that it will preserve the order of the left keys. So it is the thing creating custom data set 1, employee 1 2 3 4 5, A B C D E, subject 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, B C D E F 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the two dictionaries we are creating, and then we are making data frame out of those. Data frame 1 equal to PD dot data frame data equal to data dict 1. Data frame 2 is equal to PD dot data frame data equal to data dict 2. Okay, give one space also here. So it is okay. Now you will see df1, great. Let's see df2 also, df2, great. Now we are performing merging operations on these. So let's make it task. Means okay. Merging data frame 1 and data frame 2 based on common column names. So data frame 1 dot merg merge, write how on So now merge data frame 2 comma merging data frame 1 and data frame 2 based on common column names on employee ID. Okay, on subject only we can do. So this is the how we don't need to mention. So pd dot merge left right on how inner is by default actually here. Still they have mentioned. Okay, this is also correct actually. Then they have done one more thing. pd dot merge merge then left equal to df1 comma right equal to df2 comma on we need to mention subject and then how will mention inner. So like this we can do. Then merging data frames df1 and df2 based on df1 subject value. pd dot merge left equal to df1 comma right equal to df2 on subject how uh, left join. So df1 basis of df1 subject value it will work 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how it's work. Then merging data frame 1 and data frame based on df2 subject values. pd dot data frame pd dot merge then left equal to df1 comma right equal to df2 comma on we will put subject how we will put right and then do. So it is like how it work. Then merging data frame df1 and df2 based on union of both subject columns. pd dot merge left equal to df1 right equal to df2 on subject and in the last how. So it will be like outer. So it is like union, okay, and in inner it is intersection. So this is the thing we can do. Okay, we learned how to concat, merge and append data frames and using corresponding functions. They are widely used while collecting data from multiple data sources. So generally, as I told you in the starting only, they are generally used in that case only. Okay, so now hold a second. So now we will see that how they are doing filtering in the data frame. Okay, so what they are doing here, like let's see data is still there or not. Most probably not. Great. Okay, so what they are saying that data is there. So what they are doing, they are filtering out those rows for which a total salary is greater than 500. Okay, this is the total salary. So wherever total salary is greater than 500, that will filter out. And here state is California, and data total salary is greater than 500. This is what they are doing. Also, always keep in mind, if we are doing like this, so for and we need to use this mm, uh, sign, and if we are doing or, then we will use this pipe sign. Okay, and also parenthesis is very very important. So these are the things which you need to take care. Okay, while doing EDA part, we generally need to do these types of things. Okay, I will do guys one case study for you, like customer sentiment analysis. Okay, it is based on NLP only. So in very soon we will make video on that also. I am preparing that. So this deep learning vi- video on deep learning also come. Then after that we will do that NLP part. Okay, so NLTK, uh, uh, blob library, and different libraries involved there, and we will do customer sentiment analysis. Okay, so now see data filtration. In this section we will observe how to perform data filtration operations. Okay, remember the output of the comparison is of boolean data type, that is true or false. So if we are comparing, then output will come in true or false. You can use these boolean to filter out records from data frame. So these booleans we can use to filter out records from data frame. So we will uh, load this file. Let's see we can load or not. So market data frame, most probably we won't, because it is okay, as I told, no issue. We will, I think we have this URL. Okay, so now we have same data frame which we discussed in last video. So this is the thing. Okay, we have ID, address, city, state, country, name, and employees. This is our data frame. Now return true or false. True or false if employees are greater than 15. So market data frame, and then employees greater than 15. So false, false, true, false, false, and then true. Like this, it will come. Okay. Filter out all the rows where employees are greater than or equal to 15. Okay, so if we need to do that, market data frame. So these are the rows where employees value is greater than equal to, because when we compare na this thing, so it gives in true or false. I showed you. Okay, 1 minute. So this true false we will put inside this like this. So it is true for 1, 2 and 5. So those are comes out. Okay. So this is data filtration. This is how we do. Okay. Now filter out all the rows where employee greater than equal to 15, and uh, one great thing is also there. Filter out all the rows where employees are greater than equal to 15 and state is not equal to this. Okay. So what we'll do? Market data frame. Okay. Inside that, uh, market data frame employees greater than equal to 15 and market data frame state not equal to this. Okay, and then run. 2 and 5 will come. Okay, so here employees is greater than 15 and state is not equal to CA California. Okay, so here someone say that sir, C, it is CA. So guys, both in for and both conditions should be true. Okay, if I will do or operation here, then it will be different thing. Okay, or here or sign will come. Okay, so anything is true, then equal to 15, or it is not equal to this. So like this, in first case it is not on this address, so it will come. In second case it is greater than equal to 15. In third case it is greater than equal to 15. In fourth case, uh, it is like this address is not there, so this address is not there and this particular address is not there. In this way it works. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. We observe how easy it is to filter out information from the data frames. Okay, they also help us to get a clear picture of data by logically operating on combination of various features. There, therefore, these functions are widely used in feature engineering. Therefore, these functions are widely used in feature engineering. Now we will see multi-index data frames. So guys, what is multi-index data frames? Until now you have seen data frames with a single index. Okay, Let's see how we can use more than one index to gain better insight. So now we will use more than one index. Okay, so creating custom data dictionary of companies. So company will be Google, Microsoft. Year will be 8 9 10, 8 9 10. Revenue will be 11 15 16 and all. Okay, and the employees are given. So Google in year 2008 revenue is 11 and employees are 300, like this it is there. Okay, so company data frame will come out. Okay, so CMP data frame equal to PD dot data frame. Okay, and then data equal to company data frame. Okay, so CMP data frame. So like this you will do. Okay, so Google, Microsoft, and it is mentioned in revenue and employees. So now we will set index with company and year. Okay, CMP2 is equal to PD dot set index. CMP data frame dot set index, and then company and year will come. CMP2. So it is set index. Okay, company and year are set. Okay, great. Now in CMP2 we want to access Google and for 2008. Okay, so CMP dot lock. Okay, and company Google. Okay, and then let's see, it will work on. We are just saying, okay, general, maybe it will give error, but no issue. Okay, let's try to do iLock. Will it work here or not? No, it won't work. Then lock. It won't work. Okay, oh my god, it won't work because I have selected CMP here. Okay. Okay, now try. Dot iLock. Okay, now it should work. Okay, like this it will work. Okay, CMP2 dot log Google dot 2008. Okay, so it will tell that revenue is itna and employees will be like this. Okay, CMP2 dot log. If we will try it directly, CMP2 dot log and then 2008. So it won't work directly in multi-indexing. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now CMP dot access function we can use. Okay, Okay, so now what they are doing, cmp2 dot access function. Okay, and what they go give key and then access and then label, drop label, boolean, keys and access. So key will be 2008. Okay, so if we want to access directly, then key equal to 2008 and label will be year. Okay, with the help of key label we can do level label equal to year year. So like this we can do. Google Google value is revenue is 11 and employees are 300, and Microsoft revenue is 9 and employees are 350. Okay, and if we want to access for company, so cmp2 dot access, then key will come. So key will be uh, Microsoft. Okay, and then label equal to company company. Okay, so it will give like this 2008, 9, 10, 9, 12, and 14 employees, 350, 450, 550. Then CMP2, then revenue. So company Google and revenue will be like this. Okay, so it will show like this. Now we will set company and year as index to try access rows. Mm, Company and year as index. So let's say so like this it will work. Accessing data by using .log two times. Accessing Microsoft data at company level or index 0. Data of year 2009. So let's observe multi-indexing over different data sets. Okay, so data frame equal to pd dot read csv tiger dot csv pd dot. So we can define function also for this. Okay, define load data, then data set name. If data set name equal to tiger. Okay, if data set name equal to tiger, return pd dot read csv, and then like this. Okay, so we can define function like this also. Okay, import seaborn as sns, loading synthetic dataset present in seaborn library. So we will import seaborn as sns. Now guys, we will load synthetic data which is present in seaborn library itself. Okay, so tips is equal to sns dot load dataset, sns dot load dataset. Okay, so if we want to load any dataset from sns library, sns dot load dataset, name equal to tips. Now see tips. Okay, so there are 244 rows and 7 columns. Here we have total bill, then tip, then sex, then smoker, then day, then time, and then size. Okay, so time and your unique. So there are two unique values. Okay, so if we see that tips dot info, in this you can see that there are 244 rows and 7 columns are there, and all have don't anyone any column don't have any missing value, and these are floats, total bill, tip, then sex, smoker, day, time, and size. All these are in category for format. Size is in integer format. Okay, so four category columns, two float columns, and one integer column is there. Okay, so what is the average total bill we give? Okay, so total bill dot mean. So 19 point something is the mean. Okay, and tips, then tip dot mean. So it will give like 2.9 is the mean value of tip they have given. So how many percentage amount they have given as tip? So 100 into tips, then tip divided by tips, total bill dot mean they have taken, and dot mean they have taken. So 15% um, they have given as a tip. Okay, and if we will do mean median also 17 point something, and median is 2.9. Now tips dot describe we can do dot describe describe. Okay, so here you can see that tip value uh, mean is like 2.98. Okay, and total bill mean value is 19.7, median is 17.7, and median 2.9. So these are the things you can see here. Like only 3 out of 7, only 3 has come. So if we want to see for all, we can do one thing, is dot describe. Okay, and include all we can mention, so it will include all values. Okay, but for time, two unique values are there. Top is dinner, frequency is 176 times dinner. Okay, Saturday 87 times Saturday. So like this we can do. Okay, now we can ask questions here. Okay, if we have any EDA query, then we can clear over here. Okay, so ask the questions like 1 minute tips dot head. Okay, so total bill female. Now we can ask that how much amount of how much percentage of how much percentage of total bill they have given as a tip. So 100 into tips, then tip. Okay, dot mean divided by tips total bill dot mean. So 15.15% money they have given as a tip. Okay, now male we can define. So 100 multiply by tip, then tip sex equal to male then tip dot mean. Okay, divided by tips tips sex. Then 1 minute tips sex equal to male. Okay, and then total bill dot mean. Like this we can do. Okay, so let's run it. 14.89%. Okay, 14.89%. So this also we can do. So male which I have given more tips if you want to find. So we can do for female also. Then tips, another tips, then sex equal to female. Female will come here. Okay, and then tip dot mean divided by tips tips sex equal to female, then total bill dot mean, and let's run. So you can see that female have given more amount in tips as compared to male. Okay, the difference is not too much, but yes, female have given more amount, it's true. Okay, so now we can make one more column with the name tips percentage. Okay, so tips, then with the name tip percentage. So how it will be, sorry, 100 into tips tip divided by 12 will. Okay, 1 minute. Tip total will. Now if you will see dot head, so tips percentage is added now. Okay, so it is great. Okay, so now from here also we can calculate. Okay, tips, then tips x equal to male, then tip percentage dot mean, so 15.76%. Okay, previously it was coming percentage first or average first. So guys, and there is one homework you need to make, find out that you should make percentage first or average first. Okay, so this is because values are coming different. Here we have taken percentage first, then we are doing average, and previously we have taken average first, then we are doing percentage. Okay, so this thing you need to, same thing for sex equal to female, take percentage dot mean. Now we will see group by, group by time. Okay, so here we will see how we can do group by, even though group by will come later, I think. Okay, because I have not covered till now. So guys, group by, how it will work. Here tips dot group by how we will do group by time. Okay, group by time, group by is done, but what then they want, then tip percentage. Okay, and then what they want, mean. Okay, so group by time, this percentage dot mean. In lunch they have given 16.41% tip, and in dinner they have 15.95. So in lunch they have given more mm, tip. Okay, and then for sex also we can do tips dot group by, then by, sorry, by, and then we will mention like sex tip percentage dot mean. Okay, so like this we can do. One more thing we will do, tips dot group by sex comma time. Okay, then tip percentage, and then mean. So male in lunch given this much percentage tips. Okay. So if you will notice that in lunch male have given more tip. Okay. In dinner, female have given more tips. So like this we can do. Mm. So they have been test dot group by sex, time. So they have done one more thing. Tips dot group by sex comma time dot mean. So this also we can do tips dot group by, then by sex and time, and after that dot mean. So total bill, then tip size and tip percentage. So this is the thing we can do. Now test dot group by sex comma time, and then mean, and then what we want access function, and what you want to access dinner. Okay, dot access key value, where key will be dinner, comma value key is there, and key label where. Okay, not value, it is label. Okay, label will be time. So you will find out that total bill, uh, mail. So like this we can do. Okay, so this is all. Setting sex and size as index of the data frame. So we can do tips dot set index, then uh, keys we need to mention is equal to sex and size, comma in place. Okay, in place equal to true. So this is the way we can do set index. Okay, keys we need to pass sex and size. Mm, and then we can do like this only. Okay, then tips dot head, so it will come like this. So tips dot sort index in place equal to true. Now we will do tips dot sort index in place equal to true. Then we will do tips 1 2 to 2, then female is equal to 4, pd dot set option max rows none. So now if we will run, so it will come like two comes too many times, then four, then female comes. Okay, so like this it will sort index. Now accessing all records where size is 2. Now if you want to access all records where size is 2, pd dot set index, sorry, set option max column. um, okay, so max columns, co max columns none. Okay, so like this also we can do access all records where size is size is 2. Tips dot access, so key will come to key label will come as size. So it will come like all records where size is 2. So when dealing with multiple indices, we have seen how to access data using .access function. Also, we have seen creating and indexing using categorical variable. So this is the thing we have learned so far. Okay, now come group by in pandas. So data frame operations, group by data frame operations, and then time series operations. These left, this I will cover in these three topics I will cover in last video. Okay, so time series operation, actually it is important, time series operation. Then the data frame operations and all, and group by in pandas. Okay, so okay, thank you guys. From this video I will enable comment section, so if you have any advice and if you want anything you can mention there. Okay, thank you.